Chosen one, you have been carrying a very specific grief in absolute silence. It is the heavy, unspoken belief that your best years for love have already passed. You look at your past, the broken trust, the isolated seasons, and you quietly accepted that maybe extraordinary love was simply not in your divine blueprint. But you are not reading these words by accident. The universe intervened today because the script has entirely flipped. What you thought was a permanent ending was actually a divine clearing. God is preparing to publicly embrace you, and the reward is a younger soulmate, a counterpart whose ancient knowing perfectly recognizes your profound depth. This is not about superficial age. It is about a matching spirit carrying the youthful fire your soul needs to fully awaken. I hear the spirit saying, you are ready. Stay with me until the very end of this message, because I am going to show you exactly why your past relationships had to fail. And before this message concludes, I will give you the specific tool, the exact framework you need to recognize this matching spirit when they arrive, so you do not accidentally sabotage your own blessing. Settle your heart, because your season of hidden weeping is over and your public vindication is here. Imagine you are sitting alone in the dark. The house is completely quiet. You are watching the headlights of cars pass by your window, casting long, fading shadows across the wall. You think about the people who walked away. You think about the conversations that faded into nothing but silence. Notice how your chest feels tighter than it should when you remember those moments. Notice how your breathing becomes shallow when the memories surface. Notice how your mind immediately tries to find a reason why you were not enough to make them stay. Every day you questioned your worth. Every night you asked the Creator what was wrong with you. Every time you tried to shrink yourself to fit into their world, you felt a deep physical ache in your spirit. But I need to reframe what actually happened in those moments of loss. What you experienced was not rejection, it was divine protection. What felt like abandonment was actually a calculated rescue mission. God was moving people out of your life who were never equipped to travel to the altitude of your calling. Your spirit carries a very specific anointing. It carries a heavy, ancient frequency. The people from your past simply could not carry the weight of your calling. They were not built for the spiritual warfare you navigate. They could not comprehend the deep revelations you receive, and they were intimidated by the immense light you hold. They had to leave so you could grow. Your past did not fail because you were broken. It failed because it was too small for your destiny. Now you understand exactly why they could not stay. If you are starting to see the truth of your history, if this is clicking in your spirit right now, type, I see it, to acknowledge that your rejections were actually your greatest protection. But knowing why they left is only the surface of the truth. There is a much deeper reason why the Creator pulled you into such severe, painful isolation afterward. Why did God hide you so completely? Why the total deafening silence from the universe? The answer to that is something most people completely misunderstand. Let me show you what has really been happening in the dark. Think of the deep winter. The trees are entirely bare. The ground is frozen solid. The wind cuts through the forest. To someone who does not understand the cycle of the seasons, the forest looks dead. But beneath the freezing soil, the roots are actively expanding, pulling nutrients, breaking through rocks, preparing for an explosive spring. Your isolation was not a punishment. Your stillness was not stagnation. It was incubation. You went into this wilderness needing external validation, and you are being forged to be completely secure in the divine. You went into this season reactive to every minor slight, and you are becoming fiercely discerning. You went in trying to save everyone else, and you are finally learning to save your own precious energy. For so long you operated under a false identity. You thought your purpose in love was to heal broken people. You became the wounded healer, offering your life force to partners who only knew how to take. God had to isolate you to break that syndrome permanently. You are not a rehabilitation center for unhealed souls. You were never meant to fix your partner. And while you were carrying everyone else's heavy burdens, your own mind became burdened. You have been feeling this profound mental exhaustion recently, a thick brain fog that makes it hard to focus, a loss of that magical spark you had when you were younger. I discovered a study from Princeton recently about a specific brain frequency. They call it a gamma switch. It explains exactly why your mind feels so drained right now and why your intuition feels muffled. I will show you how to turn that switch back on later in this message. Because when that frequency is restored and when you finally stand in front of the matching spirit God is sending you, the collision of your energies will create something the world has never seen. The consequences of this union will shake the foundations of your reality. Take a deep breath. Release the tension you are holding in your shoulders. The hardest part of the wilderness is officially behind you. Now we must look at what is arriving. I told you earlier that there was a deeper reason why the Creator hid you away in absolute silence. God did not hide you to punish you. He hid you because what He was preparing for you required a vessel completely emptied of past trauma. He hid you so that you could not settle for anything less than the exact frequency He was architecting for your life. And what is arriving is a matching spirit. But there is a divine twist to this provision that defies all earthly timelines. God is preparing to embrace you publicly with a younger soulmate. I know your human mind might struggle with that. Society tells you to look for someone your own age, someone who has weathered the exact same decades you have. But you must understand the original language of the divine. Look at the ancient Hebrew text. Most people think restoration just means getting back what was taken. But the original Hebrew word is shalom. Shalom does not just mean to restore. It means to be made complete. It means to be paid back with massive interest. God is not just restoring the years you lost to heartbreak. He is overpaying you. He is overpaying you with a spirit that carries the pure, unburdened fire you thought you lost. This younger soulmate is not a physical compensation. It is a spiritual overpayment. They are the mirror effect. They possess a pristine, untamed energy that perfectly reflects your deep, hard-earned wisdom. They have the fire and you have the vision. Together, you create a frequency that cannot be broken. Before this continues, gently press the like button. Not for me, but so this revelation reaches another chosen one who feels forgotten by time and needs to hear exactly this tonight. Now let me show you what happens when this union actually takes place. The consequence of meeting your matching spirit is that every false ceiling you built over your life will instantly shatter. You will no longer accept the bare minimum in any area of your existence. But there is one thing I have not told you yet. There is a specific tool you must use to recognize them when they arrive, and I am going to teach you that framework in just a moment. First, we have to address the massive internal obstacle standing in your way right now. Because when you hear that a vibrant, younger, matching spirit is coming, a dark, heavy voice whispers in your mind. It tells you that you are too old. It tells you that you carry too much baggage. It tells you that you are too damaged. That voice is not logic. That voice is a spiritual attack designed to make you self-sabotage. You are suffering from success terror. You have been waiting so long for breakthrough that you are terrified of what happens when it actually arrives. You think it is too good to be true. You think it will be taken away. You think you will somehow ruin it. I am here to break that chain over your mind. You must internalize this truth. Your scars do not disqualify you. Your past does not disqualify you. Your chronological age does not disqualify you. Imagine the heavy armor you have been wearing around your heart. In your mind, I want you to unbuckle it and let it fall to the floor. You are allowed to be loved easily. You are allowed to receive without fighting for it. You are allowed to be celebrated exactly as you are. You are allowed to step into a completely new chapter without apologizing to your past. If your spirit just confirmed that if you feel that heavy armor dropping right now, type I release to let go of the belief that you missed your time. Now that your spirit is cleared, I must give you the framework I promised earlier. because when this younger, vibrant energy enters your atmosphere, you need to know how to navigate it. You need to know without a shadow of a doubt that this is the matching spirit sent by the Creator and not a distraction disguised as a blessing. I call this the resonance check. This is how you distinguish a true divine counterpart from a familiar trauma bond. There are 3 specific signs to look for when performing the resonance check. The first sign is the silence of your nervous system. In the past, when you met someone, your heart raced, your mind spun, and you called it butterflies. But that was actually your nervous system warning you of danger. With the matching spirit, your body will feel an overwhelming, grounded peace. The second sign is the effortless translation. You will not have to over-explain your soul to them. They will hear the words you do not say, and they will honor the boundaries you have not even vocalized yet. The third sign of the resonance check is the activation of your dormant gifts. Instead of draining your energy, their presence will cause your buried talents, your creativity, and your spiritual vision to suddenly wake up. This framework is your shield. When you apply the resonance check, you will know exactly who is standing in front of you. But before this message ends, I am going to guide you through a sacred activation, something that will seal this reality into your spirit. Stay with me, because what we are going to do together is not a regular prayer. It is a commissioning. To fully prepare you for this, we must return to that Princeton study I mentioned earlier about the gamma switch. You see, as a chosen one, you were born with an unusually high level of gamma brainwaves. That is why, when you were a child, you had such a magical imagination, a razor-sharp intuition, and a deep, unexplainable connection to the universe. But as you grew older, the trauma you endured, the toxic relationships you tried to save, and the harsh conditioning of the modern world began to suppress that frequency. Scientists call this the decline effect. This is the exact identity bridge that explains your current struggle. This is why your brain feels slow and clouded. This is why you doubt yourself and feel a terrifying resistance when you think about opening your heart to a vibrant, younger, matching spirit. It is not your age, it is your dormant gamma frequency. Let me tell you about a woman, 38 years old, who felt this exact same heavy blockage. She had tried yoga, she had gone to spiritual retreats, and she had spent hours meditating, but that true connection still felt entirely out of reach. She felt like her best years were gone. Then she discovered how to reactivate her gamma waves. Within 2 weeks, she did not just feel better. She experienced an absolute explosion of synchronicities. She said it was as if the universe suddenly began speaking to her in a language she could finally understand. I know what you are thinking right now. You are thinking you have tried sound healing, you have tried mantras, and nothing has worked. But I will tell you straight to your face why those failed. Meditation can take years of intense daily practice to physically alter your brainwaves into a sustained gamma state. But there is a specific 7-minute scientific protocol called the Genius Song that uses advanced brain entrainment to do this directly. Normally, to access this kind of neurological recalibration, you would have to pay $300 for a single biofeedback therapy session or spend $7,000 on clinical equipment for your home. Dr. Robert Lake, a brilliant neuroscientist, compressed that exact technology into a simple 7-minute audio track you can listen to anywhere. The original price of this protocol is $49. But Dr. Lake wanted to ensure that people who truly need this spiritual and mental revival can access it. For those watching this specific message, he lowered the investment to just $39, and that includes 4 incredibly powerful free bonuses, like the guided visualization track to help you manifest your new reality and the Genius Child audio. Best of all, it comes with a 100% money-back guarantee. If you do not feel the shift, you get every penny back. Listen to me carefully. Every single day you wait is not a neutral day. It is another day your gamma frequency remains asleep. It is another day you carry a mental weight that is not yours to carry. The true cost here is not the money. The true cost is continuing to live below your divine potential. However, you must be extremely careful. Because this technology is so powerful, there are counterfeit websites and fake audio tracks claiming to be the genius song. Those fakes do not contain the actual brain entrainment frequencies. To ensure you receive the authentic technology and all the bonuses, I have placed the only official secure link in the description and the pinned comment of this video. Investigate this tool only if your spirit leads you to take the next step. When your mind is clear and your spirit is aligned, you are finally ready for the ultimate truth of your journey. Think of the ancient story of Ruth. For a long time, Ruth was hidden. She was a widow, surviving on the margins, quietly picking up the leftover scraps in the fields just to stay alive. You have been doing the exact same thing in your love life. You have been picking up the emotional scraps that broken people left behind, surviving on the bare minimum of affection. But when the time was right, Boaz did not just love Ruth in private. He claimed her at the city gates. He honored her in front of the entire community. Hear this peak declaration over your life. God is not just sending a partner in secret. He is orchestrating a public vindication of your faithfulness. The matching spirit arriving in your life will carry such an undeniable, radiant light that everyone who watched you struggle, everyone who walked away from you, and everyone who counted you out will have to stand back and watch the Creator honor you publicly. In your mind right now, no matter where you are sitting or resting, I want you to simply close your eyes for a moment. You do not need to move. Just imagine a brilliant, warm circle of golden light descending from above, surrounding you completely. Now in your mind's eye, see a figure stepping into that light with you. You do not need to see their face, just feel their energy. Feel the absolute grounding peace of a matching spirit. Notice how your breathing naturally aligns with theirs. Notice how safe your heart feels in their presence. This is your divine counterpart. If you are truly ready to step into that circle of light in reality, type, "I am ready," and say it with the force of a lion in your heart. Thank you, Creator, for sustaining this chosen one through the long freezing winter. We acknowledge every tear shed in secret, every moment of doubt, and every silent prayer for true companionship. Right now, by the authority of the divine, I release the heavy armor you have carried. I release the trauma bonds of your past. I release the fear of your own age. I release the lie that you missed your window of opportunity. I release the urge to fix broken people. I release the shame of your hidden seasons. And I release the waiting room. I activate the frequency of the matching spirit in your life. I call forth the public embrace, the undeniable vindication, and the profound love that overpays you for your sorrow. It is done. It is sealed. We receive it entirely. If this message brought clarity to your confusion and confirmation to your weary soul, let your like be your amen without words. Stay connected to this space, subscribe, and align with the thousands of chosen ones walking this exact same path, because there is continued revelation waiting for your new season. For those who felt the spiritual pull to reactivate their mind, the official link for the Genius song is in the description and pinned comment below. And one more thing, if someone came to mind while you were listening, someone who has given up on love entirely, someone who feels they are too old to start over, someone who hides their profound loneliness behind a brave smile, share this message with them right now. Send it however you need to, because this might be the exact lifeline heaven wants to hand them today. You are not just leaving a video, you are leaving a season of weeping. Step into your public embrace.